Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm bringing you a video that explains why I am buying more shares of the Grab stock right now. So this video is just cut from a more recent video that I've made, but I am tailoring it towards anyone who is only interested in Grab. But if you want to see the longer video, please click up here. But with that in mind, let's get started. However, before we get started, please remember that this is not financial advice and your capital is at risk when investing. Please make sure you do your own research and due diligence before investing in stock, and be prepared to lose any money that you do invest. The first stock that I am buying right now is Grab. If you don't know what Grab is, it is a Southeast Asian super app. So they do food deliveries like Uber. They have taxi services and bike rentals, and they also have a fintech aspect of their business, which has just grown. It's got quite a big market share in Southeast Asia, and yeah, that's a basic background. So let's jump into why I am investing in Grab. So over the last year, we can see that the share price of Grab has grown by nearly 45%, and that is because of how good the business is. It is very fundamentally sound. It has not been making a profit yet, but it has took the right steps in that direction. So we'll take a look at that first. So if we look at the earnings per share over the past years, we can see that they've slowly but surely gotten more profitable. And in the last 3 quarters alone, they have made a profit when it comes to earnings per share for the first ever time. So that's very positive. Outlook for this year is negative earnings per share, but we'll wait to see what happens. But yeah, it's slowly getting to a profitable business, and once it hits that profit, I think it'll just keep growing, and it will grow exponentially. If we take a look at the financials, you can see the revenue has grown 314% over the last 3 years, and it is estimated to keep growing. So we can see by the end of 2025 there should be a 23% growth, 45% growth, and then 66% growth over the next 3 years. And this is going to repeat throughout all of these categories. So operating income is the same, slowly but surely getting into the positive and keep growing. Same with net income, same with earnings per share. Operating cash flow is the same, and free cash flow, they've currently got a nice amount of free cash flow. We'll get onto that. I believe they're holding onto that for something, and that will be big news if that comes. If we come down to here, we can see that the gross margin is growing and is in the green, and the free cash flow margin is in the green and growing as well. Everything else is in the red. But if you look at the general trend, it started really low and it's slowly climbing. Same for net margin, same for return on invested capital. So yeah, it is a growth stock. It is not solid, it is not set right now. It still could go south, but everything is pointing towards a fundamentally sound business that will be very profitable in the future. If we look at target summary from Wall Street, we can see even at the lowest forecast there's a 3% upside, but up to the highest forecast there's a 64% upside. So very positive news, very positive targets. That's what you want to see. I believe institutions own over 80% of the stock now, and it's in quite a few mutual funds, so that's very positive. So the sentiment around Grab is very positive, and we can see why. So some of the big news that might be happening to Grab in the next few months is that they are trying to merger with another big company in Southeast Asia, which is GoTo, who have recently made their first profit. So there is the expectation that Grab is going to merge with them, and recently 4 of GoTo's board have resigned. So some people think that that is a sign that the merge is going to go through. If this happens, it'll be quite big. It'll take away a rival slash merge them together and make them a bigger, better company together. And if they start to turn a profit as well, that is only beneficial towards Grab. So yeah, that is why I'm in Grab. I think it's a very solid and fundamentally sound business, as we can see here. And yeah, let me know your thoughts below if you're invested in Grab. And that is it for this video. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of the Grab stock below, and if you're buying it, and what else you might be interested in. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.